How are you guys doing? I am doing super fantastic and I am all dressed up to declutter. There's like a lot of like decluttering work left, guys, and since I was at home and then I came back and then there was a lot of like crazy things happening, so I could not like really declutter everything so far, and there is so much to do because before the new year I always want to like declutter a bit, and actually most of the things like wardrobe, set up the home a bit. Also I have a help and she helps me most of the time. Actually she does the most part, but still like certain things like my wardrobe, I even get into things like decluttering Gmail, whatever, like you know, my phone gallery. Like I know guys, before new year I try to like declutter most of the things because it's a new year, it feels good, it feels very good to do all these things. So that's the thing, but I have not done so much this time because my parents were here, we were going out a bit, then I went home for the festival, then I came back, so there was like a lot going on, and finally I'm home, and for the next 10 days or something I'll be here for sure. Yeah, so before that I want to finish like decluttering. Also for Christmas I think we have just like 7-8 days I guess, so there is a lot of work to be done, plus my office work needs to be wrapped up, and I know the 10k steps is going a little bit wobbly, but I'm trying to keep pace at it. I think some of the days I have done very few steps. So yes guys, that's where I'm at. There's a lot of things that I've planned for Vlogmas. Actually I had like a lot of like content ideas for Vlogmas, like I had told you, right, and I've written down everything. Some of them I have not executed still because I think very close to Christmas is when I wanted to do it, and that makes complete sense. So I think the first priority will be decluttering so that I can get that out of the way, then do the remaining things. By the way guys, look at this cute outfit. It's a very cute Mickey Mouse dress. Let me show you.
This is the dress guys, I hope you can see it.
And the messy wardrobe behind, but this is a very cute home wear that I think I got few months back, and I'm wearing a jacket because it's very cold. Even now it's the daytime, but still it's like very cold, so I'm wearing this jacket so that I can be a little warm. Okay guys, without talking too much, I want to start decluttering already and organizing my wardrobe, and same process like last time. I'll be removing all the clothes and then cleaning up the place and then wiping that place a little bit, then using naphthalene balls and then place the clothes again neatly. That's what we're going to do. Okay guys, I'm going to listen to music and do so that I can fasten up the process. Let's do it now. Guys, I'm back to talk. Like I can't be without talking, I guess guys. This hoodie I was searching for so long in the other room and I was not sure where I kept it. Look at this. This is Mickey Mouse again. Look at that. I'm wearing Mickey Mouse and again Mickey Mouse hoodie. This actually my parents got from Netherlands a few months back and I don't know where I had kept it. Now is when I found out. Look at this. It's a plain pink one with a Mickey Minnie picture here. So cute guys. Look at this. Finally I found it. It's brand new and I haven't even like worn this. See, Disney Mickey and Friends, 12 euros. See, they had bought it back then and I didn't even realize where it was. I have to wear it. Perfect time I found it because it's also the winter season. Also guys, back again. The section that I removed and threw on my bed right now is actually the jackets and sweater section, and it is all messed up, so I'm gonna set it now.
Naphthalina Gasolina is here. Perfect. I will go wash my hands and come guys. Back guys. The jackets that are too heavy and occupy a lot of space, I put it in my dad's mom's room. How simple. Winter jacket guys.
Also guys, an update from yesterday's video. When I was editing, I realized I set the alarm, but I don't know why it didn't ring, because I had set it for evening 4 PM and 5 PM instead of 4 AM and 5 AM guys. That is why it didn't ring. While editing I realized, like I told I'll tell it later, but I didn't tell. So that's the story and that's why it didn't ring. How nice of me to set it that way, and that's why it didn't ring and my mom had to wake me up. And another thing guys which I completely forgot to tell in yesterday's video, I'm just folding my clothes so that I can just place it later. Like look at these guys, all these are new and I have not even like worn it. Like this I got from like Netherlands. You've seen my shopping haul, right? All these I had got there. I'll wear it. This is like the perfect season, and another 2-3 months I can't wear it anyways. It's gonna be summer.
So yes guys, the update that I didn't tell, I was telling right, was that the flight that I came yesterday, Air India, the window was actually cracked, like literally like so cracked, and I was very worried about it. I was like constantly thinking, my god, something is wrong, because I remember while I was taking photo and videos, right, I just bent like this to see down and the window was like cracking like that. I was like, oh my god, if alone it cracks open, my god, I don't even know what will happen. And that girl also was like climbing on me almost. So I was like so worried, oh my god, like what do I do and everything. It was super cracked. If you have seen the photos and videos that I had inserted in between the clips, right, in that also you could have noticed it was super cracked, which is very scary. I don't know flights why they don't like check all this, but then it was very cracked guys.
Okay guys, off camera I've set the jackets and sweaters on top. Not the most neat arrangement, but still it's okay. Still at least it's in place. So next we're going to set this section. This is actually my gym wear guys, which I don't know where I went last, but this section was dedicated to my gym wear. It has all my gym outfits and cords and like sock and like, you know, towels that I need for the gym, like the whole setup I had done. Yes guys, the gym section, we are still going to set it. Let's go. Should I keep the gym pants or the tops at the back? I'm not very sure. I think I'll keep the gym pants at the back guys. I think that makes more sense. Done guys. I have set the gym clothes section. Oh my god, it took forever, but then I'm very tired right now. But then we have set, so these are the pants. Actually it's a mix of like pant and top because I realized I have lesser pants and more gym tops. So there are like pants and tops, and these are like my gym towels actually, and then we have socks here. So that's what we have set as right now, and I am very tired already, but we have one more section to go. This section actually set my office wear, like office pants and like jeans and everything, and towels as well. So it's a huge mess right now because whatever I just took by mistake, I was dumping it there. So that section is pretty messy. I'm a little exhausted, but we're going to finish that section as well. And down actually the last section is just bags and everything, which I need to see what I need to do. But these three sections are clothes, and then I'm gonna set that now. Guys, look at this. Finally I have completed guys. Like I've set my office pants, few cords and my towels in the last shelf. So all the three shelves are done now. My god, finally. It took forever. I'm slightly exhausted, but nevertheless the sweater section is done, the gym section is done, the towels and the pants are done. So I am good now with this wardrobe section. It is quite okay right now, but there's a lot more to do. I don't think I'm filming everything on camera, but then still whatever I can I'm definitely doing. The last shelf I still need to figure out because it's a little messy. I have few more things that are out, but I need to see where I can place them. So as of now the wardrobe is quite set, and in this cupboard the last section is still pending. I've done half, but half is still pending, so I will finish that as well. And in that room there is an entire cupboard again with my clothes, and then I have two suitcases to check, which I don't think I'll check because I pretty much know what's in there, so that's fine. But then these things I have to set, and there are a lot of other sections in my room that I need to declutter, which is going to take some time. But I'm gonna end this vlog here guys. I hope you are also like organizing, decluttering, like throwing away the unnecessary things, clothes, shoes, bags, unnecessary emails, people, whatever. Like I hope you're really like organizing and having like a good free clean space, and that's one of the ways you can welcome the new year. So I'm gonna end the vlog here guys. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 18. I will see you in Vlogmas Day 19. Bye guys.